Present perfect tense, potential mood. The present perfect tense in the potential mood expresses an action that has been completed in the present but with a sense of possibility, doubt, or speculation. Active voice. Subject may have, can have, must have, past participle. Passive voice. Object may have, can have, must have, been past participle by. Now see the first example. Active voice. He may have completed the report. Passive voice. The report may have been completed by him. Active voice. She must have sent the email. Passive voice. The email must have been sent by her. Active voice. She can have finished her homework. Passive voice. Her homework can have been finished by her. Active voice. He may have understood the instructions. Passive voice. The instructions may have been understood by him. Active voice. They may have chosen a different restaurant. Passive voice. A different restaurant may have been chosen by them. Active voice. He must have bought a new phone. Passive voice. A new phone must have been bought by him. Active voice. He may have heard the news. Passive voice. The news may have been heard by him. Active voice. She may have left your umbrella. Passive voice. Your umbrella may have been left by her. Active voice. He must have told the truth. Passive voice. The truth may have been told by him. Active voice. We can have missed the meeting. Passive voice. The meeting can have been missed by us. Active voice. She may have taken the wrong bus. Passive voice. The wrong bus may have been taken by her. Active voice. We may have made a mistake. Passive voice. A mistake may have been made by us. Active voice. We must have heard this song on the radio. Passive voice. This song must have been heard by us in the radio. Active voice. We may have taken the wrong turn on the highway. Passive voice. The wrong turn may have been taken by us in the highway. Active voice. They may have found a better solution. Passive voice. A better solution may have been found by them. Active voice. She may have lost the letter. Passive voice. The letter may have been lost by her. Active voice. We may have forgotten to invite him. Passive voice. He may have been forgotten to invite by us. Active voice. The student may have read this book before. Passive voice. This book may have been read by the student before. Active voice. They must have brought a gift for the host. Passive voice. A gift must have been brought for the host. Active voice. She can have completed the assignment earlier. Passive voice. The assignment can have been completed earlier by us. Active voice. She may have seen him at the store. Passive voice. He may have been seen by her at the store. Active voice. We may have left the keys in the car. Passive voice. The keys may have been left in the car. Active voice. He may have noticed the error in the document. Passive voice. The error may have been noticed by him in the document. Active voice. He may have forgotten the appointment. Passive voice. The appointment may have been forgotten by him. Active voice. We may have forgotten to bring the ticket. Passive voice. The ticket may have been forgotten to bring by us. Active voice. We must have planted the apple tree. Passive voice. The apple tree must have been planted by him. Active voice. The anthropologist can have understood the mentality. Passive voice. The mentality can have been understood by the anthropologist. Active voice. The compromised must have developed the retentiveness. Passive voice. The retentiveness must have been developed by the compromised. Active voice. The bookbinder can have decorated the cloud. Passive voice. The cloud can have been decorated by the bookbinder. Active voice. The borrower must have paid back the money. Passive voice. The money must have been paid back by the borrower. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. And share this video among your friends. See you in a future video.